Wineland goes to the body and to the head.
Corral looking to parry those shots.
Oh my!
Caught him with the spinning back kick. He's hurt.
He hurt him big time.
He's
trying to
hurt real
finish.
bad.
It is all over. Henry Corral remains the UFC interim bantamweight champion.
Wow. House just shook him off. Good kick to the body there by Travis, going high. House just plodding forward. Stand right in front of him. He's hurt. That's it. That's it.
Travis Brown has done it. He has finished Alistair Overeem.
Head kick.
Speed difference.
Yeah.
Wow, he tried a crescent kick on him.
Anderson.
Oh my, he got hit. Looking to finish it. It is all over. Chris Weidman is the UFC middleweight champion.
My goodness.